Welcome to this instructional guide for installing the RA2 Select wireless inline dimmer. To begin with, make sure the power is switched off for the area you're working in. Next, remove the first light fitting in the circuit to access the cabling. Disconnect the supply into the downlight and install the inline dimmer. The live from the feed-in connects to the permanent live input terminal. The neutral and earth connections from the supply are joined with the respective terminals on the inline dimmer. Next, install an additional cable from the load out of the inline dimmer. The dimmed live output to the fixture is connected to the dimmed live terminal, followed by the neutral and earth connections. Install the strain relief and tighten the screws. Fit the end cap in place and screw in. Take the twin and earth from the output of the dimmer to the first fixture on the circuit you want to control. Use the push button on top of the inline dimmer to test the fitting turns on and off. Replace the completed system in the ceiling cavity and rehouse the fixture. Repeat this process for any other inline switches and dimmers. Turn the power back on. Now, without the need for any additional wiring, lighting can be accessed through the Lutron app, Pico wireless switches, and integrated with these brands and more.